Be honest, do I look real? Because I don't exist.
Yep, she's right. She's not real. She is what we call an AI influencer. Right now, people are building entire influencer pages using AI and brands are paying them too. Means no camera, no model, no shoot, no editing. Harsh, it can end up my career too. Back to point. Today I'm going to create an AI influencer with you from scratch and that too free. So by the end of this video, you will have your own influencer video ready to post. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching Teddies and let's get started with the procedure first. You need just three things for it: a face, a motion video, and one AI tool to merge them all. So let's start with creating the face. Go to Pinterest and search for real female influencer. You can use male too. Browse through different images and download the one you like. Now go to Lovart AI and sign up for free. Here, create a new project and click on Image Generator. We will generate a model using Nano Banana Pro. Now, upload the downloaded image for the reference. Adjust the resolution and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Give a prompt to create a new realistic influencer, or you can just use my prompt given in the description box. Generate a new photorealistic female influencer inspired by the uploaded image. Keep a similar vibe and facial structure, but create a clearly different identity. Different eyes, nose, lips, and expression, natural skin texture, detailed pose, soft studio lighting, 35mm lens, green background, great details, realistic imperfections, not plastic skin, Instagram model style, modern fashion influencer, sharp focus. Now, just click on Generate. Congratulations, you have just redefined the laws of nature. And I have created a new person. I was really scared how she would look, realistic or not. Anyways, go ahead. Just click on the photo and download it. And now it's time to give her life. You can make her do anything you want. Anything. Just find any short video on the internet, on social media, and copy its link, download it with using any website, any application, and then the next procedure starts. Open the video and take a screenshot of one clear frame. Next, go back to Lovart AI image generator, upload the model image and the extracted frame image. See, like this. Then give it a prompt to make image 1 pose and dress like image 2 and generate the image. This image now has the same pose, same vibe, same energy. So just download it before we move forward to the final step. Now open Kling Motion and sign in for free. Click on Kling Motion Control, upload the influencer image, upload the motion video and just click on Generate Video. Wait for some time as it may take some time. And voila, here is the final reveal. And just like that, you have your first AI influencer video. This is just the version 1. You can make hundreds of these. Different outfits, different niches, and entirely different pages with different personalities. So try it today, post your first AI influencer video and don't forget to tag us in it. Well, I'm really excited to see what you make. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries, and what else? Subscribe to our channel for more such content. I will meet you in the next one.